I'm in a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then right here is the main reservoir you would add to. You want to do all this while the engine's cool, just because this liquid gets to boil and it's under pressure sometimes, so you don't want a bunch of scalding poison to shoot out at you. But to add, you just I've had this running for a while, so I don't want to open this up necessarily for all these, but here with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you can fill up. On the side here, if you can see it, you look up and down the reservoir, there's like a full max line, so you don't want to fill it all the way up, you'll fill it up to the max line. And as best as you can, match up the color of your coolant to what's already in there, and if you can, the same brand as well, ideally. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But once you have that filled up, just push this nice and closed so it doesn't get anything else to fall in there while you're driving. You don't typically need to, but you could also access the radiator and add this way, which you do this by pushing down and twisting till this pops off. And with every system, especially the coolant, you want to check through all the lines, make sure there's no cracks or leaks. The radiator, sometimes if they get too hot, they can get cracks in them. Sometimes these reservoirs can get cracks. One way to help tell if there's some leaks is while the vehicle's running, check through around the motor and underneath the vehicle for any puddles. Those puddles, they should have a slight color to them if they're coolant, and you don't really want to touch it. Let's say if you have a glove on, if you're feeling it, it'll be slightly more slick feeling than what water would feel like as well, because you also sometimes get water condensation that'll puddle, but that's totally normal. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.